Steve Falk here for the Press Democrat on Del Rosa Avenue in Santa Rosa, high on the hill behind the Flamingo Hotel, a neighborhood built in the 70s and now covered with hundreds of very large trees, minus this one that came crashing down at 7 p.m. last night. It looks like a fir tree, probably 60 to 70 feet tall, came down across Del Rosa Avenue, taking with it power lines and power to many of the residents in this neighborhood. Crews are not yet on the scene for what will obviously be hours of work to get this cleared. Check back for an update later this morning.